Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change the font style of all the text or all the slides with a single click in the PowerPoint presentations. Let's follow the steps. For example, this is a slide number first, and the text style. Here is the Calibri. Similarly, you can also check that the text on all other slides is also in Calibri. Now, normally we do select the whole text and then change it to the different styles. For example, Times Roman individually, but it will take much time as there are a number of the slides existing in this PowerPoint presentations. So how to do this within a single click? Click on the View option, then select the Slide Master, and here, select the Fonts option. Here, suppose we are going to select the new Times Roman. Select this font style. Close the master view. Now check all slides font style. For example, this is the first slide. You can see that it is in Times Roman. Check second, third slides. You will see that it has Times Roman. So the text on all the slides has been changed with a single click.